In front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off Passwords Autofill. Enabling or disabling Passwords Autofill can be a bit difficult because it's not located in Passwords app along with all of your passwords. Actually, after testing this and many other iPhones, I discovered it's actually in Devices Settings. To find it and manage it, go into Settings and scroll a tiny bit to click on General section. Then scroll again and click on Autofill and Passwords. Now use green switcher at the top, right next to Autofill Passwords and Passkeys to turn it off, or grey one to turn it on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!